Hey there, wellness warriors. Are you looking to transform your life for the better? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're embarking on a journey, exploring 7 healthy habits that have the potential to revolutionize not just your day-to-day, but your entire life. These are simple yet powerful practices that can bring about profound changes. So buckle up, open your mind, and get ready to unleash your full potential with these game-changing practices. Your morning sets the tone for the entire day. It's like the opening scene of a movie, setting the stage for what's to come. A morning routine is that personal ritual that helps you start your day right. It could be a calming meditation session, a refreshing stretch routine, or perhaps a few minutes of mindful journaling. These activities not only wake up your body, but also center your mind, paving the way for a day filled with positivity and productivity. Kickstart your day on a positive note with a morning routine. A healthy body fuels a healthy mind. It's more than just a saying, it's a lifestyle. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is your ticket to vibrant health. It provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. But it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Eating mindfully, savoring each bite, and staying hydrated is just as important. Remember, your diet is essential for your overall well-being. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling fantastic too. It's the magic pill that uplifts your mood, improves your health, and boosts your confidence. The key to a successful exercise routine is enjoyment. Yes, you heard that right. Whether it's the tranquility of yoga, the rhythm of dance, the exhilaration of running, or the adventure of hiking, find an activity that sparks joy. Make it a regular part of your life to keep your body moving and your spirit soaring. So find your passion and get moving. Sleep is the body's natural reset button. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to overlook the significance of quality sleep. Yet it's crucial for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a peaceful sleep environment are 2 steps towards achieving this. Consider practices like winding down before bed, limiting screen time, and ensuring your room is dark and quiet. Remember, quality sleep is the secret to enhanced productivity and a positive mood. Mindfulness practices can help you manage stress and stay grounded. Take, for instance, meditation. This ancient practice brings your attention to the present moment, helping you to let go of past regrets and future anxieties. Similarly, deep breathing exercises can calm your mind and body, slowing your heart rate and lowering your blood pressure. These techniques not only help manage stress, but also improve concentration and promote a sense of peace. Taking a few moments each day to connect with yourself can work wonders for your mental health. Humans are social creatures. It's in our nature to crave connections, to share experiences, to laugh and cry, to celebrate and grieve together. Cultivating meaningful relationships isn't just about having someone to chat with over coffee. It's about building a supportive community, a safety net of individuals who uplift, inspire, and challenge you. These connections act as the bedrock of our emotional health, influencing our happiness and overall life satisfaction. Fostering connections can boost your happiness and overall life satisfaction. Never stop learning. The world is a vast treasure trove of knowledge and experiences just waiting for you to dive in. Whether it's mastering a new skill, immersing yourself in a gripping book, or exploring a newfound hobby, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey that never ends. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging yourself, and stepping out of your comfort zone. This continuous personal growth not only keeps your mind sharp, but also infuses your life with an exciting sense of discovery. Remember, continuous personal growth keeps your mind sharp and your life exciting. There you have it, folks. We've journeyed through 7 healthy habits that can reinvent your life. From starting your day with intention, nourishing your body, staying active, prioritizing sleep, cultivating mindfulness, fostering connections, to embracing lifelong learning, each habit holds the power to foster growth and happiness. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as these habits transform your life for the better.